Russian sentence structure, word order. The first thing to remember is that the word order in Russian sentences is much freer than it is in English. The common order in affirmative sentences is subject, who, plus verb, doing what, plus object, with, to, plus any additional information, usually about place, time, or it can be a subordinate sentence. Word order in affirmative sentence in present tense. I study English at home every day. Я изучаю английский дома каждый день. Remember, if you want to emphasize a word or group of words in a sentence, you may put it in the very beginning. For example, каждый день я изучаю русский язык. Every day I study Russian. В Москве сегодня дождь. It's raining today in Moscow. If you want to emphasize that it is today that it's raining, you can say сегодня в Москве дождь. Today it's raining in Moscow. Let's see more examples in various tenses. Let's remember our first example. Я изучаю английский дома каждый день. This is affirmative sentence in the present tense. You could say Я изучаю английский каждый день дома. You can vary the additional information that is usually in the end of the sentences. However, the most important things are subject and the predicate or the verb, and they should be normally in the very beginning. Let's see the same sentence in present tense but in negative form. I do not study English at home every day. Я не изучаю английский дома каждый день. Again, you could vary it either дома or каждый день, change their places, or you could even put дома in the very beginning, like to invert this word if you want to underline it. For example, дома я не изучаю английский каждый день. At home, I do not study English every day. It depends on the sense of your phrase, what kind of meaning you want to bring up. The same sentence in the past tense. Affirmative sentence. Я изучал английский дома вчера. Negative form in the past tense. Я не изучал английский дома вчера or каждый день. The same sentence in future tense. Affirmative version. Я буду учить английский дома завтра. Or я буду изучать английский завтра. Учить and изучать are verbs that are synonyms. You can use any of them. In the negative form, you just need to add the particle не. Я не буду изучать английский дома каждый день. Or я не буду учить английский дома каждый день.